It's hashtag bloopers. He's annoying. That's funny. He's almost trying to kill me. If you didn't see that, I'll replay it in slow motion. I'll replay it really fast. Okay, you're gonna be doing it. So I'll be right back. Ready, set, start the do. So see, okay. See how really mean he is? He actually got on my back and tried to scratch me to death. We're going over there.
I was trying to give her a piggyback ride.
He tried to kill me.
Alright,
So we're going over there. Where mostly all this.
Not that far.
Not that far. But it's really close. We're going down the stairs. My little sister's crying because he couldn't come out. So he couldn't come out and it was just really sad, so we had to leave. Woo! Right now we're gonna be eating soggy ice. Have to grab a bunch. I'm just gonna grab this much soggy ice. Ah! You didn't see that, but it was so nasty. We're almost there, mostly.
Oh, so are you done with your intro?
So, intro done.
Oh.
Yes, nothing to say.
Okay. What we're gonna be doing now, is
Oh, we're just gonna be playing this now. I'm doing. Just
you know,
we're gonna be playing this.
I found an Angry Bird toy.
And then we found. We live in We live in Florida. We live in
Canada.
Canada. Yeah, we live in Canada.
Especially, it doesn't look like Canada, but we still.
Washington.
Yeah, we kind of live in Canada, Washington. But if you guys want to see me,
Oh,
if you guys want to see us both, if you're a big fan of us, Melissa. Hashtag bloopers. Alright, Melissa, tell them the thing. Okay,
So we're gonna be going live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and Saturdays and Sundays. And we're gonna, especially Saturdays and Sundays, at 11 to 2 o'clock every Sunday and Saturday. So come watch our bloopers. They're really fun.
hashtag bloopers.
He fell.
Okay, you guys, if you want to meet us really bad, yeah, go to Kent, Washington, Canada, and then
That's not where we live. We just live in Kent, Washington.
yeah, just Kent, Washington.
Well, you actually want to do something really bad. Look, ready? Blooper! This is a blooper! I'm gonna do a blooper for you. Blooper!
Okay, guys, if you want to be part of our YouTube videos, Melissa, tell them.
Just subscribe. Wait, sorry. Just subscribe, comment down below, smash that like button. See you next week. This is just an introduction video. So bye.
I smashed it.
Okay, start the video now. What up, guys? We're gonna be doing some bloopers right now. That's one of the bloopers. He's dabbing super fast.
I can dab faster than that. Okay, guys, if you want to meet us,
You already said that.
yeah, just saying. She tried doing cartwheel, but she fell.
Oh my god.
Okay,
I'm gonna do a cartwheel again. I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
if you guys want to see us and our apartment,
This is my YouTube channel. Mine's cooler than him. I do sleepovers and do whatever things. And challenges too.
Ow.
Me llamo Juan.
Go subscribe to Tracy Simpson. If you don't know him, go to his Musical.ly because he's cool. Got something to say, Melissa? Huh?
I fell to my death. Okay, start another video.
Okay,
Okay, sorry. We got off track. Let's start the video now.
guys, okay, if you want to see our apartments, it should say Hidden Ridge.
Hidden Ridge Apartments.
Yeah. And it should look like this.
Oh my god!
I'm on top of the world. Ooh.
Don't freaking throw that at me. Let me see the video!
I pooped my pants, Daddy. Oh, what? I bet this is part of a snowman.
Owie.
Okay, our apartment should look like this. And then that means that we live over there.
Wait. Smash the like button.
Really? Are you serious? Guys, hold up. I need to beat her up. I need to beat her up.
Ouch!
Alright,
Annoying.
I'm done beating her up.
I mostly beat him up because I won. I punched him in the face.
That never happened.
Mm-hmm.
You only pulled my hair out. Oh, shoot. You're lucky I can't punch you. Which I did. So, go subscribe to Melissa if you want.
Mine's Melissa_Funtime. Melissa Funtime.
Yo, guys. Yo, Alex. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Really? Hashtag bloopers.